Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
And a beautiful evening outside South Florida. Perfect weather for the hundreds of people in Hialeah for that big rally.
Yep. I got rained on this morning, but much improved.
We got a few showers this morning, got it out of the way, so we're looking pretty good for the rest of the day, despite these gray-looking clouds out there, but we're staying dry for the rest of the evening. Temperatures at 81. Now, we managed again today in near record highs. We've been talking about that. 86 was the high temperature, and we did not get to that 88. That was the forecast, so we nailed it there. But over the next few days, we'll continue to see warm temperatures. If you're looking for a fall front, it's just not going to be with us at least through the remainder of the week and into next week. What will happen is a big change with wind and also some cooler daytime temperatures. So that's something we look forward to. But radar and clouds not showing much, and the temperatures still very comfortable. 79 there in Fort Lauderdale, 81 in both Marathon and in Key West as well. This area of high pressure is still with us. A lot of dry air east of us here, so we're looking at just limited coverage. But tomorrow, we'll have a few showers coming in through the picture. In fact, through the morning hours, and then some hit or miss showers through the afternoon. That's the kind of pattern we're in, where it's really just not saturated here, and so we're not able to produce any heavy rainfall. Nobody's complaining about that. That's for Thursday, Friday. Into the weekend, we'll still be ahead of this frontal boundary, right? It's not going to bring us cold air, but unfortunately, once this front rolls in here by next week, the wind that we have not been missing for the last few days will return. We're going to be talking about wind gusts, small craft advisories, things like that. But that should hold until the weekend is done. So we're looking good for Saturday and Sunday. Here's Rain Tracker with the showers for tomorrow. And watch this here, a little cluster moving in. Remember that southeast flow is a position of the high. That is going to bring us some scattered showers throughout the day. We're looking at 20% coverage. I think that'll about do it. And then a little drier coming up for Friday. So we'll drop down to about 10%, and we'll kind of stay there as we head into the weekend. Still looking for a cold front, but this next front, the pocket of the cold air associated with it, look at that, it goes up into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. We have not cooled off since the beginning of fall here, and we're not going to, at least for the foreseeable future. In the tropics, 22 days. Countdown continues to the end of hurricane season on the 30th of November, and there's still no action out there right now. In the next 7 days from the NHC, we are in the clear. As far as boating conditions for tomorrow, still looks good. No alerts. Easterly winds 10 to 15. Enjoy this, and this is going to be the case for the weekend because, as I mentioned, the winds will return as we head into next week, and that'll start getting our seas and the rip currents back in the forecast. As far as temperatures in the afternoon, once again, I think we'll hit middle 80s with afternoon highs running just a little above average, and then we'll hit the upper 80s coming up for Friday and Saturday. I mean, look at this weekend here in the middle of November in South Florida. We can do it, and we're going to this weekend, Veterans Day weekend, both weekend days into the upper 80s. And there's that cool down, not so much because the air mass is going to change. It's just the wind off the water is going to keep us windy, cloudy with a few showers and some gusty winds as well.